Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're completely rethinking how we interact with artificial intelligence. For the longest time, we've basically treated AI like a super smart chat box, right? We toss quick questions at it, we get quick answers back. But what if we stopped treating it like just a basic tool? What if instead we started treating it like a tireless, autonomous digital employee? And the best part? Even if you don't know a single line of code, today we're exploring Claude Fable 5, which is a model that promises to completely change how you handle your daily workload. Okay, let's dive into this, because this is where it gets incredibly exciting. For a long time, the whole idea of having a system continuously running in the background, knocking out complex, multi-step tasks, well, that was reserved strictly for heavy-duty software developers. But Fable 5 is specifically designed to bring that exact power to everyday users. Just imagine waking up and while you were fast asleep, your digital employee has already processed your research, organized your schedule, and drafted your morning reports, literally while you slept. To understand just how big of a leap this actually is, we really have to look at how Anthropic, the creators of this AI, describe it themselves. They explicitly state that Fable 5 is the most capable model we've ever released to the public. This isn't just some minor iterative update, it's what they call a Mythos class model. In plain terms, that means it's not just spitting out text anymore. It's practically thinking, planning, and reasoning entirely on its own. It was built from the ground up for your absolute most ambitious, heavy-lifting work. And this brilliantly illustrates the core difference here. It's kind of like comparing a well-meaning intern to a senior project manager. Older AI models are like those interns, right? They're super eager to help, but they need constant supervision, ultra-precise instructions, and honestly, they really only handle short, single-step tasks without getting totally confused. Fable 5, on the other hand, acts like that senior project manager. It is highly autonomous. You give it a massive goal, and it can literally operate for days, without any human intervention, figuring out all the intermediate steps completely on its own. Now, obviously, with great power comes the need for serious safety. Before Fable 5 was even released, testers found it was actually so advanced that it was uncovering thousands of critical cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Because, a model that can find flaws can also be used to exploit them. So Anthropic built this really unique safeguard. If a prompt touches on high-risk areas like biology or cyber threats, the system automatically redirects that request to their Opus 4.8 model. This neat little trick allows everyday users to safely harness Fable's incredible power without accidentally opening the door to massive security risks. Section 1. Automate your daily workflows. So, how do we actually put this digital employee to work? Well, think of Fable 5 as an elite management consultant whose only job is to audit your personal productivity. The sheer scale of what it can process is just incredible. You can actually instruct the model to analyze your past interactions. In one real-world example, it effortlessly audited 39 previous work sessions all at once. To put that into perspective, it's like reading a whole novel of your past work. It then clusters those raw signals to find patterns in how you operate and outputs a complete diagnosis. It literally taps you on the shoulder and says, hey, here's what you're doing manually that I can automate for you. It identifies the exact new automations you need to win back hours of your week. Let's move to Section 2, clone expensive software, and see how this builds into something even more beneficial for your wallet. Because Fable 5 is so remarkably capable of long-horizon tasks, it can actually build customized alternatives to those expensive subscription services that are draining your bank account every single month. It really begs the question, why are you paying endless monthly fees for applications like Whisperflow? And maybe more importantly, why are you uploading your private, sensitive data to some random cloud server? With an autonomous digital employee, you simply don't have to choose between convenience and privacy anymore. Instead, Fable 5 can build you what is known as a local clone. What this means is Fable 5 studies exactly how an application works and then autonomously writes the code to recreate that exact functionality directly on your desktop. And remember, you don't ever have to look at a single line of code. It does the heavy lifting completely out of sight. The result? You get the exact same utility, but it's entirely free, perfectly customized to you, and because it runs locally on your own machine, your private data never ever leaves your computer. But wait, there is a super strategic, clever hack to manage this without burning through your AI usage limits. You shouldn't just ask Fable 5 to do everything from scratch right out of the gate. The pro tip here is to use a less intensive, cheaper model, like Opus 4.8, to do the upfront grunt work and deep research. Once Opus 4.8 has finalized the master plan, you just hand that blueprint over to Fable 5. Fable 5 then acts as your tireless executor, taking that plan and just grinding away at it autonomously. Moving right along to Section 3, build your personal dashboard. A lot of people hear about AI generating software and they immediately assume they're going to have to spend their days staring at some confusing hacker-style command line terminals straight out of the Matrix. Actually, scratch that. It couldn't be further from the truth. You can actually have Fable 5 build you an agentic OS. This is a beautifully customized visual dashboard. Think of it as a clean interface that wraps all of your complicated AI automations into simple, clickable buttons. It takes all that dense, under-the-hood processing and turns it into a visually appealing command center tailored exactly to your daily routines. And the applications here are incredibly versatile, literally putting your everyday tasks on total autopilot. You can wire this visual dashboard to track your cross-platform content creation, seamlessly pull together morning research reports from your messy notes, or even handle complex, multi-step tasks in finance, economics, and law. You simply click a button on your custom agentic OS, go grab a cup of coffee, and Fable 5 autonomously executes these dense routines right there in the background.
Which brings us to Section 4, managing without coding.
Of course, all of this raises the biggest elephant in the room, right? How does an everyday, non-technical user actually manage an autonomous AI without knowing a single programming language? Well, so the crucial point is the PRD, or Product Requirements Document. You absolutely do not need to write code to control Fable 5. You just need to write plain English. A PRD is simply a detailed text document where you spell out exactly what you want built, what your constraints are, and what your final goal looks like. It is essentially the ultimate plain English instruction manual for your new digital employee. The sheer power of a simple PRD is staggering. In one incredible case study from our sources, a user provided Fable 5 with a single, plain English document detailing a 3D browser game. Using just those written instructions, Fable 5 autonomously generated 21,000 lines of complex code across more than 90 individual updates to build an entire game from scratch. All while the user basically just sat back and watched it happen. A human didn't write a single line of code. That is the insane leverage plain English gives you with this model. And if you already have existing spreadsheets, messy projects, or tangled workflows, Fable 5 is an elite reviewer. In another test, a user pointed Fable 5 at an existing, super messy project. In just 5 minutes, it dove in, identified 45 raw errors, deduplicated them, and handed back exactly 24 prioritized fixes. They were categorized by severity with step-by-step solutions. It's literally like having an eagle-eyed auditor completely untangle your work in a matter of minutes. When you combine all of these elements together, using plain English PRDs, building local alternatives to expensive software, and wrapping the whole shebang up in a highly visual dashboard, you get a system that truly empowers continuous task automation for everyday users. Fable 5 perfectly bridges the gap, finally allowing absolutely anyone to delegate massive multi-day projects to a secure, highly autonomous agent. It's a real game changer. Anthropic built Fable 5 for our most ambitious work, and they leave us with a deeply inspiring question. What's the problem we'll look back on and wonder why it took so long to solve? Now that you have a tireless, autonomous digital employee ready to work for days on end, the only real limit is what you decide to point it at. So, what ambitious project are you going to tackle first? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next one.